Today we're going to be unmolding over 20 100% beeswax candles. Hopefully you enjoy it. This is the tiny rose. Sometimes I have to use a pin to pull it out. This is the rose. This is one of the most difficult ones to unmold. You have to go very, very slow and be very, very patient. This is also one of the more difficult ones to pull out. That's what happens. The end comes off. If I let it sit for too long, it will stay in there and get really hard to pull out, versus if I am actively working on it and pulling it out before it's completely cooled, then it will come out really easy. This is one of the most difficult to unmold. This is the floating daisy. This will actually float in water. Got another rose here. Here's a mother and baby. One of my favorites. This is our log pillar. Another one of the hardest ones to unmold, but now it's becoming enjoyable because I've done it so many times. It's a good challenge. This is the pine tree.